Hi everyone, this is Anastasia. I'm doing a 200-hour yoga teaching training at Vinyasa Yogashala, and I would love to share with you my daily schedule. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and my first Hatha yoga class is at 5:30 a.m. After the yoga class, I have pranayama, and right after pranayama is the first meal of the day, which is breakfast. After breakfast, I prefer to do self-study or self-practice. And right after that is my anatomy class, and after that, alignment class. Then at 1 p.m. I go to lunch. I have my very good meal for the day. And right after that, I prefer to sleep or just have my free time, nap, relax, or go and explore Rishikesh. Right after that time, I have a philosophy class for an hour. And then I have an hour to relax before a very dynamic and active evening yoga class, which is usually Ashtanga or Vinyasa yoga. Right after yoga, we have a very relaxing meditation. We do yoga nidra to relax for the day. And after that, having dinner and going to sleep. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Thank you for watching. Bye.